Dude, you're gonna rip my LCD screen off. I gotta be careful of that.
Tommy Lissandro, 2002 Ford Explorer, Ford Sundown Team 18s on ATS 35Ks, 16 volt. 380 JY Lithiums, 270 single alternators. Doing work. It's 2-inch acrylic, 2-inch thick, carbonate or whatever. I don't know the exact name of it, but just did it yesterday. Me and Jared Gibson came up with the idea, and we just went with it. Yeah, it's pretty much bulletproof. To 240, man, they're Sundown. They get a little hot, but they go.
That's like 5,200 BTU right there. Woo! Get down.
Here we go again.
Now, I don't know about you guys, but once I see something this crazy, my mind wanders to the worst case scenario. I know it's probably far-fetched, but just imagine you're jamming down Cumberland when all of a sudden your brake lines blow out, streamlining it toward Town Hall with 1,000 extra pounds in the back. Not a good story for the grandkids, if you know what I'm saying. So if it's doing this much damage, I'm sure an inspection or two is done before Tom heads out. Dude, you're gonna rip my LCD screen off. I gotta be careful of that. inside of it?
1615 R5.
1615?
No, 1615.
Oh my God, okay.
Yeah, and 3 Crescendo 5500s for now.
Okay.
Got 6 that are going to be totally in there. 12 excess powered D1600s. Amps are on back order. It's all temporarily put in there.
Man, you gotta love those BCs, huh?
Oh, I love them. USB
What the?
messes up.
That's okay. That's probably flexing it right out of the socket. I love the port too.
Yeah. That was a nightmare. It's
No, it looks like a
15-degree
nightmare.
angle, so it's an absolute nightmare to get it to meet up right.
Dude, come on in here. Get in there.
Oh my God.
That's killing it. That's killing it.
She's a trooper. Just sits in a 55.
I know, dude. Your girl is like, she's like, takes it like nothing. Man, I don't know what it is that's so alluring about the whole car audio scene, but I just can't get enough of it. I'm purely addicted to bass. Give a big thumbs up if you're in the same situation as me. And thanks again for watching this video. We started the day off with Tommy Alessandro's AIRABELLA getting nasty on the lows.
They get a little hot, but they go.
I swear, that thing's 2 songs away from being a AAA case on the side of the road, but at least it'll still have a stereo in it. Then we headed over to Sam's ride, loaded up with lots of gear and tons of batteries in the back, and we got ourselves a nice little demo of that too. I love the port.
Yeah. That was a nightmare.
And like we've already said a million times before, the biggest and funnest part about going to these shows is seeing so many different types of systems. Some people have a single sub, other people have tons of them loaded up in the back like a C-pillar setup. So it gives you ideas of what to do, what to change, what to upgrade in the future with your own stuff. So I wouldn't change anything. Going to these big shows always is such a great time. And another great time for you guys, giving back to the community here, thanks to our Patreon supporters. Awesome news with a new subwoofer giveaway. Now, the new terms of service on YouTube are a little bit iffy on doing giveaways, like soul giveaways on a video. So if you guys want to check it out, patreon.com/EXOcontralto. We got a great little group of guys over there really helping the community grow, and the channel is really taking off this year. I can't express how big a thank you I have right here, guys. So thank you for watching the videos. Check out the giveaway with the SoundCube HDS 2.1 on our Patreon page. I'm choking. I will talk to you guys in the next video.